Hello friends, today we will discuss multiple choice question from previous year question paper. First we will see questions from 2021. So the maximum displacement in periodic motion is called. Suppose if you consider the wave. So in wave this maximum displacement that is called amplitude. Therefore answer is amplitude. Next question, the number of oscillations completed in given time. So when we observe time word here, we directly mark answer as a time period, but this one is a wrong answer. Actual answer is frequency. Then what is the difference between this time period and frequency? Let's see that one first. So time, suppose if you consider wave, so this is a trough. This is a crest and this is one is a trough. Once again crest and trough. So starting of a crest to ending of this trough is one cycle. Suppose to produce one cycle or one wave, it will take 0.5 second. Then to produce one cycle, it must take two cycle or two wave, it will take 1 second. So frequency, time period in the sense, the time taken to produce one wave, time taken to produce this one wave, time taken to produce this one wave, that is called time period. Same way, time taken to produce, how many waves produced in 1 second, that is frequency. So time taken to produce one wave is a time period, and how many waves are produced in 1 second, that is frequency. Therefore answer is frequency. Now we'll see next one. The wave having a vibration which is perpendicular to the direction of propagation. So normally this is just one trick to remember. Perpendicular we are writing like this, which is a symbolical representation of perpendicular. So perpendicular, when we write in the reverse format, it becomes T. Therefore answer is transverse wave. Otherwise you will get confused with this perpendicular and parallel one. So the wave having vibration parallel in the sense either like this or like this. So it is in the line format. So line in the sense longitudinal wave. Suppose they ask a question like the wave having a vibration and parallel to the direction of propagation, then answer will be longitudinal wave. If they are asking perpendicular in the sense it is transverse wave. Therefore answer is transverse wave. Next question. Example for longitudinal wave. So here microwave, X-ray and UV ray, these are all electromagnetic waves. We know that electromagnetic waves are propagated perpendicular to the direction of propagation. So this is the direction of propagation, perpendicular to this wave is propagating. So therefore perpendicular, longitudinal wave in the sense which will be propagating parallel wise, either like this or like this. So all these are propagating perpendicular. Therefore answer is sound waves, which is propagating in a parallel wise. Next one, SI unit of frequency is fast moving electrons suddenly stopped by a target produce dash. So for this, so here this is a fast moving electrons which is suddenly hit by target, that time it will produce X-rays. Therefore answer is X-ray. Next one, device used to measure electric current, that is ammeter. Device used to measure voltage, that is voltmeter. Next one, a perfect gas law is one which obeys both Charles' law and Boyle's law. Next one, distance between two consecutive crest or trough. Suppose if you consider wave, here distance between crest to crest or trough to trough, this is called lambda or wavelength. Therefore answer is wavelength. Next one, atomic number is a number of dash. So here you may get confused with proton and electron. For this purpose, suppose if you consider sodium atomic number is 11. So number of proton and electron, in case of sodium, proton is 11, electron is 11. But in case of sodium ion Na plus, atomic number remains same, sodium atomic number 11, number of proton 11, but number of electron, when sodium get positive charge means it loses its one electron, therefore electron is 10. So atomic number is 10 is not equal to 11, that's why atomic number is not always equal to electron, therefore answer is proton. Next one, the device which converts light energy into electrical energy. So light in the sense photo, light energy into electrical energy, that means photoelectric cell. Next one, substance which does not allow current to pass through it. So does not allow means insulator. Suppose they ask substance which allow current to pass through it, then that is conductor. Next one, SI unit of frequency, repeated question, that is hertz.